Center for Youth Culture, and it was founded in 1963 by the city of Ljubljana as a public institution in the field of culture.
The Pionirski dome is a magical house where everyone gets their chance to speak out, to find their voice, to train to be relaxed, to train in different social and individual skills and competences that can be then used in different fields. I think we're combining tradition with innovation, with new programs, and especially how to combine culture and education in the best way possible to really equip all the people with really important, as we believe, artistic skills that can help them live more creative lives and especially happier and more content lives. It all started, as Bianca said earlier, with an idea. But it doesn't help to have an idea if you don't have the right people at the right time. When the right people came who believed in us and said you should jump into it, it was really important to have an organization like Creative Europe Desk Slovenia, because all the partners, except for one, were found via their portal. So we just described what we want to do and hope that someone would send their response, of course, positive one if possible.
We almost succeeded.
Yes, almost. Like a couple of points were missing, but it was really nice to get the feedback, to read the evaluation and say, okay, we're really close. So we got even bigger push to do even better with our application the second year. It was still so encouraging to see that they still see some value. So we needed to work on our communication and dissemination strategies and to how to describe partnership strengths, because we knew we had them. So it was about learning how to write the project, how to write the applications even better, and it was about thinking even more thoroughly about what we want to do.
Don't start if you are not prepared to continue, because once you start there is no going back, and once you succeed there is more projects and more connections and more doors.
Like really wow, I mean it's such an honor to be seen in Europe, and I think this is what Creative Europe does. It helps you to be more visible, it helps you to confirm that what you're doing is already quality work.
And we can say that for sure one project, one Creative Europe project can make a difference.
It's inspiration, it's connection, and it's growth.